Today we're going to practice making a box and whisker plot. The first thing that you always do is put the data in order. Now if you look at this data here, this data is in order. It actually goes from highest to lowest. That's fine. You can work with the data in that order, or if you don't like the data from highest to lowest, you could always flip-flop the numbers so that 70 is over here on the left and 99 is over here on the right. Remember that box and whisker plots are all about medians, so the first thing that you want to do is find your median. A quick strategy is to count how many data points are in this set. If I count my data points, there are 10 data points. 10 is an even number, which means the median is going to be found between two different values. So if I count my first 5 data values and make a mark, and I should have 5 more data values on the other side of my mark, and I'll be able to find the median from there. Now, I like to start from the lowest value, so I'm actually going to start from my lowest, and I'm going to count 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to draw a mark after the 5th one because the median is going to be in between two numbers. After this, I also have 5 numbers. That tells me that my median's between these two 87s. Now, if both the numbers are 87, the median is just 87. Okay, so right now, I've got my second quartile. Quartile 2 is 87. That's the median. I still have to find quartile 1 and quartile 3. Quartile 1 is the lower half median, so my lower half of the data is over here. There's 5 numbers in my lower half because I must include this 87. Remember that the median is between the 87s, so you must include both 87s in the upper and lower half of the data. So right here, if I've got 5 values, I'm going to find a middle. It's an odd number, so there will be an actual median. So if I divide on through, I find that my lower half median is 73. That's quartile 1. My upper half median is also can be found between 5 values. So as I divide in, my upper half median is 95. Now this particular question is just asking me what the lower and upper quartiles are. So I've already found those. They're 73 and 95. However, if I wanted to continue making this box and whisker plot, I would draw myself a number line underneath my set. My lowest number is 70, so my number line is going to start with 70. It's going to end at 100 because my highest value over here is 99. As I create my box and whisker plot, it's a good idea to mark every 5 data values with a bigger mark and put a number there. That helps you keep your box and whisker plot neat. Now in this plot, it looks like I've run out of room, so I'm going to extend just a tiny bit onto an extra sheet simply to show you what it would finish to. So as I continue going, my last values, 96, 97, 98, 99, which is my highest value, and 100. I marked my highest value because I've had to go over onto a different sheet, and I want to just make it clear that that's the highest. When you make a box and whisker plot, the first thing you do is graph your extremes. Your extremes are the lowest and the highest value. So my lowest value is 70, so I'm going to graph that with a dot with my pink marker. My highest value over here is 99, so I'm going to graph that with the dot. I'm also going to graph my 3 quartiles. The first one is 73, 87, and 95. Remember that you make a box and whisker plot by drawing a box around your quartiles. So you draw a box around the outer quartiles, draw a line down the center. To finish it, you connect to your outside dots to make your whiskers. Remember, inside this box and whisker plot, 25% of the data is found in every single one of these quartiles. In another video, you can look at how to interpret a box and whisker plot when already given a box and whisker plot.